How to make lips pink. Lip balm and toothbrush combo. Steps. 1. Start by applying a thick layer of lip balm all over your lips. The best time to do this is at night before you go to bed. It acts as a much-needed intensive night treatment. 2. Once you wake up and the lip balm seems to have been absorbed by your lips, use a damp toothbrush to gently massage and exfoliate your lips to remove dead skin. 3. You can also use a damp washcloth instead of a toothbrush. 4. Wipe off any excess balm to reveal fresh, moisturized lips. Honey and lemon mask. Steps. 1. Mix the two ingredients and blend them together in a glass bowl. 2. Apply this lip mask and leave it on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Wash it off with warm water and follow up with a layer of lip balm. Crushed rose petals lip mask. Steps. 1. Start with soaking a few rose petals in milk overnight. 2. In the morning, strain the petals and mash them using a pestle. 3. Add a few drops of milk to the mashed petals to form a paste. 4. Apply it on your lips and leave it on for a good 15 minutes. 5. Wash with cold water. Aloe vera gel mask. Steps. 1. Take a fresh leaf of aloe vera gel, slice it from the middle. 2. Scoop out the gel using a spoon and put it in a glass container. 3. Add a few drops of olive oil or coconut oil into the gel. 4. You can use this as you would use your lip balm. 5. Store in the refrigerator. Milk and turmeric exfoliator. Steps. 1. Mix the cold milk with some turmeric powder to form a paste. 2. Apply this paste on your lips and leave it on for about 5 to 6 minutes. 3. Gently scrub it off once it sits. 4. Wash with warm water and dab some lip balm on. Coriander lip mask. Steps. 1. Crush the coriander leaves until they turn into a fine paste. 2. Apply this mixture directly onto your lips and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Wash with lukewarm water and wipe away any traces with a damp washcloth. 4. Apply some lip balm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video.